Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are taking a look at a coach from the single most respected name in the luxury diesel market. This is the 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 36GH. For the experienced traveler, the Phaeton is the absolute gold standard for reliability and luxury. This motorhome has 109,000 well-maintained miles on the clock and measures in at a highly desirable 36 feet long. That length is a total sweet spot. It is exceptionally easy to drive, maneuver, and park in national parks or tighter state campgrounds where 45-foot rigs can't go. Yet, because it features 4 full-size slide-outs, the entire interior expands to create a wide-open residential estate once you're set up. Take a look at the exterior presentation. This coach is coated in Tiffin's stunning Maroon Coral full-body paint graphics package. The rich blend of deep maroons, charcoal grays, and metallic silver accents gives this coach a sleek, timeless look. Because it comes out of Tiffin's world-famous paint facility in Red Bay, Alabama, it carries an automotive-grade depth and clear coat shine that looks incredible in the sun. There are no cheap vinyl stickers to crack or peel here. This is a true custom-painted finish built to stay beautiful for decades. For outdoor living, you are exceptionally well equipped. You have a power patio awning and a dedicated power door awning that create a massive shaded space for your campsite. You also have a complete window awning package and protective slide toppers installed over all 4 slides to keep debris, leaves, and rainwater away from your mechanical seals. Now here is a massive value add from us at Porter's. We have installed brand new TOYO tires all the way around this entire coach. You are hitting the highway on a fresh set of premium rubber, which is a major maintenance expense you can completely cross off your list. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the crisp, frameless windows. From the integrated side view cameras to the heavy-duty 10,000-pound trailer hitch on the back, every inch of this Phaeton indicates a coach that has been well-loved and maintained. We are going to finish up the exterior view so you can see the sleek lines before we open up the basement compartments to inspect the heavy-duty mechanical systems. Let's move down to the basement, because underneath this Phaeton is a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis that is built for serious travel. Since this is a rear-engine diesel, you get the absolute best of full air brakes and a full air ride suspension system. It delivers that signature floating on a cloud ride, where the coach effortlessly absorbs road vibrations and bumps, making a long day behind the wheel feel like a short cruise. Powering your journey is the muscular Cummins ISL diesel engine. It produces 380 horsepower and a staggering 1,050 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired with the heavy-duty Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with an electronic shifter. This powertrain is legendary for its durability, offering plenty of muscle to tow your vehicle or pull steep mountain passes with total confidence. When we open up the storage bays, you'll see the advantage of Tiffin's engineering. Massive pass-through basement storage compartments with a heavy-duty slide-out storage tray included. This makes it effortless to reach your heavy gear from either side of the coach. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, perfect for enjoying the outdoors without missing the big game. For your utility systems, we have a large Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 650 hours of use, mounted on a convenient slide-out service tray. This provides more than enough power to run both of your roof ACs with heat pumps and all your interior appliances simultaneously while dry camping. You'll also find a 50-amp service with an included extension cord, a Magnum inverter charger, and a battery disconnect system. Setup at the campground is effortless, thanks to the fully automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with simple touchpad controls. To keep you safe on the road, you have a full rear view and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor. Let's head inside and see how Tiffin's signature craftsmanship continues in the cabin. Step up into the Phaeton and the luxury is immediately apparent. The 36GH floor plan is highly celebrated because it manages to pack an incredible amount of living and bathroom space into a highly maneuverable 36-foot coach. Take a look at this front snapshot. The woodwork, the premium polished flooring, the detailed crown molding, and the high-end fixtures are classic Tiffin luxury. Tiffin builds their cabinets in-house, and that level of handcrafted quality is visible in every single hinge and door. It features a completely open flow that connects the cooking galley and the main living lounge beautifully. It is a bright, airy, and incredibly welcoming environment that immediately makes you feel like you are at home, setting a perfect tone for the rest of our virtual tour. In the heart of the kitchen area, we have a massive stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, ensuring you can stock up on all your groceries for those long cross-country trips. Directly adjacent is your table dinette with freestanding chairs. It provides a clean, residential dining experience with a massive window that gives you a perfect view of your campsite. The front living room is designed for grand-scale comfort and relaxation. The lounge features a comfortable plush recliner perfectly situated right next to the electric fireplace and a large 40-inch TV. The fireplace adds a wonderful residential ambiance and serves as an excellent source of electric heat on those cool mornings. Looking forward, the front cockpit features plush captain's chairs that swivel around to join the lounge, and you have a secondary 32-inch TV mounted above the seats. Across from the fireplace is a large pull-out sleeper sofa that easily converts into a bed, ensuring this coach can comfortably sleep up to 4 people in total comfort. It is a spectacular social space. The kitchen is an absolute chef's dream on the road, featuring beautiful solid surface countertops and premium stainless steel appliances. You have a gas stovetop, a microwave convection oven, and a residential sink and faucet. And look at this! We have an extendable countertop section that pulls out from the cabinetry to give you an incredible amount of extra space when you are cooking a big meal. The cabinet storage throughout this entire galley is outstanding, providing deep drawers and custom dividers to keep your cookware perfectly organized. It is a very clean, bright, and highly functional workspace that makes cooking on the road an absolute pleasure. Moving down the hallway, prepare to be impressed by this middle bathroom area. This is a highly unique and incredibly desirable layout that features 2 separate sinks and vanities. You have a beautiful sink and vanity located directly outside the private bathroom door, and a secondary sink and vanity located inside. This dual vanity design is a total game changer for couples, allowing 2 people to get ready at the exact same time without ever bumping elbows. Inside the private bathroom room, you have your toilet, a power vent fan to keep the space fresh, and a huge shower enclosure. The shower features solid glass doors and a skylight overhead that lets in a beautiful amount of natural light while giving you that extra bit of headroom you want. It is a bright, clean, and masterfully engineered space that brings true residential luxury to a 36-foot motorhome. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach. It features a comfortable queen-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, providing plenty of walk-around space. You have your own dedicated 32-inch TV back here, along with a residential ceiling fan overhead to keep a nice breeze moving beautifully on those warm summer nights. And look right here. This coach comes equipped with a stackable washer and dryer system already installed in its own dedicated closet. Unlike the combo units, having separate machines allows you to wash and dry simultaneously while you are out enjoying your vacation, keeping you completely self-sufficient. For storage, you have a massive wardrobe closet that spans the width of the room, offering tons of hanging space for all your travel attire, along with a built-in bank of deep drawers. Because this bedroom is separated from the front half of the RV by a solid door, it serves as a quiet, comfortable sanctuary that ensures you get a peaceful night's rest before the next day's drive. The woodwork and premium accent lighting back here really highlight Tiffin's world-class craftsmanship. Let's start walking out of the master suite and head back towards the front half of the RV so you can see how fluid and open this entire floor plan truly is. Every transition feels natural, highlighting the excellent space management. As we walk back through the hallway and into the main living room, you can really appreciate the flow and design of this 36GH layout. The opposing slides create a massive amount of floor space in the active living area, making it easy for family and guests to move around without ever feeling cramped. Notice how bright and open the salon feels, thanks to the large panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. We're heading straight past the kitchen up to the driver's seat. Settling into the driver's seat, you are sitting in a high-end command center with a commanding view of the road through that massive one-piece windshield. Everything is right at your fingertips, from your electronic air brakes and your automatic hydraulic leveling touchpad to your Allison transmission shifter controls, making this coach an absolute pleasure to drive. As we step back outside, it is easy to see why the 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 36GH is such a highly sought-after diesel pusher. To recap, you are looking at a 36-foot masterpiece with a 380 horsepower Cummins ISL engine, a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis, 4 slides, a unique dual vanity bathroom, a stackable washer and dryer, brand new TOYO tires all around, and that gorgeous Maroon Coral full-body paint finish. If you want to see this coach in person, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or email us at sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full spec sheet. And as always, happy camping!